All right, folks. Yeah, so I just installed GPS. It's a Garmin Zumo XT2. Got the mount for the Tracer 9 GT 2022 from Printed Parts, and used one of the aux power, fully installed now, and yeah, it looks great. Almost looks factory actually. And here goes. Key goes on, and the GPS power is right up. Clean install, and yeah, it's great. This is how the bike should come from the factory. Anyhow, aside from the two bug eyes here on the screen, yeah, it's great to have GPS permanently installed. Talk to you later.